Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more hardcore matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose your loadout wisely. Select weapons that suits your playstyle and have a good balance of accuracy, range, and damage. Experiment with different guns to find the ones you're most comfortable with. Consider using attachments to enhance their performance. Learn to map layout popular areas and high traffic zones. Use cover effectively and maintain good positioning during engagements. Rotate smartly to stay within the safe zone and avoid getting caught in the gas. Intel or recon contracts provide valuable information on the next circle and give you money. Use this information to plan your movements and anticipate enemy positions. UAVs reveal enemy locations, helping you make informed decisions. Flares can provide cover and distract opponents during intense firefights. Teamwork is crucial. Trade kills with your teammate to secure eliminations. Consider using the high alert perk to be aware of nearby enemies. Control elevated position to gain an advantage over opponents. Avoid big rotation and focus on maintaining control of key areas. Master recoil control. Practice controlling recoil for your chosen weapons. Burst fire or tap the trigger for better accuracy. Understand how bullets drop over distance. Adjust your aim accordingly when shooting to long-range targets. Dead silence makes your footsteps silent, allowing you to move stealthily. Use it strategically. Monitor the kill feed. Pay attention to the kill feed to track enemy eliminations. Adjust your strategy based on who's left in the game. Avoid sprinting in open areas. Sprinting makes you more visible. Move cautiously, especially in open spaces. Use smoke grenades. Smoke grenades provide cover and confuse opponents. Use them to escape or reposition. Customize your HUD. Arrange your HUD elements for quick access to essential information during battles. And that's how to win more hardcore matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.